Today I'm sharing my Saturday routine, and many of you know where to find me on a Saturday. At the flea market, we picked up a few items, and you're not going to believe how much I paid for everything, but I will share that with you in a bit. On the way home, we stopped at my all-time favorite store, Habitat for Humanity, and look what I came across. This outdoor table, about a week ago, it was about $500, and they just marked it down as I was walking into the store to $299, and they had a house full of them. You all know, like I always like to look up the actual value of certain items, which brings me to tell you that I've collaborated with Chromebook for this video to share with you how using my Chromebook has really helped me to get through my day faster and easier to prepare me for my work week. Now, as much as I love to sleep in on a Saturday and watch Home and Garden all day long, I can't. The hamster is mowing the lawn, and I'm just catching up on a few emails that I didn't get around to on Friday. So as I'm responding to many, I'm drinking my lemon water and scheduling events around my holidays so I don't forget. And although it's on my Chromebook, but you all know that I'm old school, I still have to write it down. So after our flea market venture, we wind up getting this 12-foot outdoor table off the truck and onto our patio, and I will share that once it's all set up. I couldn't wait to get home and surf the web and see how much this outdoor table costs retail. Would you believe a whopping $1,500? And that's just for the table. Oh, it was a total win for us that day. Now I'm on the hunt for chairs, and having the Chromebook makes it so much easier to carry around my home. And after looking up a few items that I scored, I am preparing to make my chicken breasts that I marinated overnight to prepare for meal prep for the week. We love marinated chicken breasts lately, and I've been doing it consistently for about 3 weeks. And I always try to bake our food or slow cook it. It's so much better for you. And I'm placing the chicken on a pan. My inspiration came from a channel called Meals on Fleek. I also follow them on Instagram. They have very fast and practical meals that are easy to follow. I absolutely love that channel, and I'll leave their link down below. So now I'm placing all of my containers out, and I'm adding my mixed greens. The greener the better. I just love my greens. And hard-boiled eggs, tons of protein. And while the chicken and kielbasa is cooking, I'm watching to see what meals I can make next week. That's why I love having the Chromebook. It makes it easy for me to take it everywhere around the house, prepare our meals, and I can catch up on some of my work too. Ultimately, preparing our meals have saved me so much time and less stress, especially when you're trying to find something to eat, and it has been helping to control our weight. So this vendor at the flea market sells brand new items that are from Walmart, but the handwritten prices that you see on the box is nowhere near what he's selling them for. And honestly, you guys, this is the first place we come to when we need something from Walmart, and I always find what I need, like this bonnet hair dryer. They are not cheap, and I immediately got online and product searched the dryer and learned it was $30. I got it for $5, brand new, still in the box. And the hupster, he even found a little something for him and my son. This 27-piece kit clipper and trimmer set, he only paid $15, and regular price, $54. At last, this handheld fabric steamer that we take with us when we travel, and this we only paid $5 for. At Walmart, it's $49.99, so shopping at our flea market has saved us a bundle. During my work week and planning my videos. As you can see, I love my post-it notes. Like I said, I'm so old school. It's just a habit of mine. I've always been that way. And if I don't see it, I will forget it. And that's why I have 2 bulletin boards. One I use for outlining my week. It really helps to keep me organized. And the other bulletin board is my vision board and for my home projects and other projects. But I always can count on my Chromebook to get all of my inspiration photos when I'm in a really big hurry. So I hope you all have enjoyed how I plan my week. Let me know if you'd like to see more lifestyle videos, and if you want to know more about Chromebook, I will have a link in my description. And I want to thank you all for watching.